everyone. At this class, I am going to discuss about the extension of linear differential equation, which is important for objective purpose. Okay, extension of linear differential equation, that is Bernoulli's equation. Okay, an equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n. An equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y to the power n, where n is not equal to 0, n is not equal to 1, and p and q are constants or functions in x only, is called a Bernoulli's equation. Okay, फॉर्मेट ये जो इक्वेशन है ऑलमोस्ट देखने में लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जैसा है, इसीलिए तो बोला इट इज द फर्दर एक्सटेंशन ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन. इसका एक कंडीशन क्या है? n cannot be 0, n cannot be 1. See what will happen if I put n equal to 0. Why we cannot put n 0 and n equal to 1? If I put n equal to 0 in this equation, then this equation become dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. Yes, if I put n is equal to 0, you will get this equation, and this is clearly we can say that it is a linear differential equation of type 1. There are two types of linear differential equation, और ये तो type 1 का है, which I discussed in the last class. Yes, तो फिर if I put n equal to 0 तो ये linear differential equation हो जाएगा. तो ये और Bernoulli's equation में क्या difference रहेगा? That's why we cannot put n equal to 0 in Bernoulli's equation. And why we can't put n equal to 1? So if I put n equal to 1, see what will happen? dy by dx plus py is equal to qy. Yes, and this equation can be written as dy by dx, which is equal to q minus p whole into y. Yes, or dy by dx by y, this is equal to q minus p into dx we can write. और ये क्या फॉर्मेट में आ गया? वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड. That means if I integrate on both sides, you will get the solution. That's why we cannot put n equal to 0 and n equal to 1. If I put n equal to 0 in this equation, it will be linear differential equation of type 1. If I put n equal to 1 in this equation, then we can solve this equation by variable separable method. Okay, so this type of equation is called Bernoulli's equation, where p and q are functions of x only, or p and q are constants. Okay, now to solve such type of equation, that is Bernoulli's equation, to solve such type of equation, the first step is, अभी मैं जो बताने के लिए जा रहा हूं वो क्या है, कैसे सॉल्व करना है Bernoulli's equation, important for objective purpose, right? So to solve this type of equation, first step, divide the entire equation by y to the power n. Divide the entire equation by y to the power n. Now see what will happen if you divide both sides by y power n. It will be 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p into y by y power n can be written as y to the power 1 minus n. This is equal to q. The first step, divide the entire equation by q, that is y to the power n. Okay, and then the second step, consider y to the power 1 minus n. This y to the power 1 minus n is equal to z. Consider y to the power 1 minus n is equal to z. So that means if I put here y to the power 1 minus n equal to z, after differentiation you have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. After putting y to the power 1 minus n is equal to z, you have to differentiate both sides with respect to x, and if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, we will get 1 by y to the power n into dy by dx, which is equal to dz by dx. So 1 by y to the power n into dy by dx is nothing but the first term. So we can replace the first term by dz by dx plus P into, or you can say right now here, capital letter A into Z is equal to say R. Okay, if I substitute y to the power 1 minus n equal to z after differentiation with respect to x, we get 1 by y to the power n into dy by dx, which is equal to dz by dx. You have to get the first term. Okay, then we can replace the first term by dz by dx, of course, plus p into z, or I replace p and q by some other letter, that is a into z, which is equal to r, which is a linear differential equation of first type, where a and r are constants or functions in x only. Okay, and you know how to solve linear differential equation of type 1, okay, which I discussed in the last class. So in this way you have to solve Bernoulli's equation. अभी ऐसा तुम लोग पूछ सकते हो कि पहले n equal to 0 पुट करने के बाद भी तो linear differential equation ही मिला था. No, first of all, if it is a Bernoulli's equation based question, first of all you have to convert it into linear differential equation of type 1 by using these steps. Nothing is there. That is, just you have to divide the entire equation by y power n and then put y to the power 1 minus n, that means the coefficient of p is equal to z, and differentiate it with respect to x. You will get the first term, and automatic you will get, you can convert it into linear differential equation. उसके बाद जैसे linear differential equation solve करना है वैसे solve करके जाना है. Okay, now I am going to discuss some examples. Okay.